We are going to review top 5 best garage ceiling storage lift. Let's get started. List number 1. RACOR PHL-R Ceiling Storage Rack. First up on our list is the RACOR PHL-R Ceiling Storage Rack. You will get this adjustable, mountable lift that can be installed to any ceiling, even angled designs. This design has some of the best customer reviews on the market and is an Amazon bestseller. It is also fully adjustable and has the ability to mount to nearly any ceiling, including those with an angular design. Even better, it has been constructed with a high-strength steel that allows you to lift up to 250 pounds. So, yes, it is durable and incredibly user-friendly. It raises and lowers by crank. The installation process is quite easy and, at the end of the day, you get 16 square feet of extra storage space to revel in. Durable. List number 2. RACOR LDL1B Ceiling Ladder Garage Storage Lifts. Up next on this journey is the RACOR LDL1B Ceiling Ladder Storage Lift. For those looking for a smaller, less expensive option, you will want to learn a bit more about this design. Specifically, this piece is for storage your ladders and removing the clutter they create in the corners of your garage. It is user-friendly for most and its pulley system reduces weight by 4x. Honestly, it is a really simple storage solution with its hook and rope locking mechanism which securely suspends your ladders. And although it seems made with simplicity in mind, it is quite the innovative idea, don't you think? Great price point. Simple design. Highly satisfied customer reviews. List number 3. HARKEN Cargo Box Hoist. The HARKEN Cargo Box Hoist comes in a variety of sizes depending on your personal needs. It is a universal fit for all cargo boxes including Thule, Yakima, Sport Rack, and Jegs. This model makes everything a bit easier for you inside the garage, including organization and usability of the space. Although this one looks a bit more complicated, it is fairly easy to install with its 4-point hoist kit that comes with illustrated instructions and installation video. And it is also really simple to use. Its patented system lifts evenly regardless of weight distribution. As its description proclaims, the self-locking cleat grips instantly to prevent accidental release if the rope is dropped. Stainless steel construction. List number 4. RAD SPORTZ Bicycle Hoist 4-Pack. Do you need somewhere to store your bikes during off-season? The RAD SPORTZ Bicycle Hoist 4-Pack will do it for the entire family. You will not have to worry about your bikes taking up space or getting damaged within the hustle and bustle of the space. And for such a simple solution, it comes with an easy price point that you will love and appreciate. It will mount directly to your ceiling to keep your bikes lifted and safe. And it allows you to lift up to 100 pounds without issue. The model includes safety locks for ease of mind as well. Great price point. 4 bike inclusion. Safety locks included. List number 5. PARTSAM Electric Hoist Lift with Crane. It is now time to take a quick look at PARTSAM Electric Hoist Lift with Crane. One of the most durable on the list, its wire ropes and electric setting makes it a breeze to use and provides ease of mind as well. It is remote control powered, easy to install. There are lifting slings that come included and are perfect for helping with your storage needs. Take a peek at the customer reviews for this one and snag some ideas on usage. Honestly, everyone is loving how simple it is to use and install, especially for the affordable price. Steel ropes. Remote control powered. Lifts up to 440 pounds.